Berkey and Beckett playing catch.
Bless you.
Ooh, bless you. All right, Berkey and Beckett playing catch. Oh. All right, can Beckett catch it before it hits the ground? Oh. That was pretty fast, Beckett. 1, 2, 3. Okay, try real hard now, Beckett. Ready? You did? You got it with your foot? Okay. Oh, good block. That's a good block. See if she can do it. Okay, let go of it, though. Oh!
Mommy, I caught it!
All right, try it again. Put it up there. Woo! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, man. 1, 2, 3. Berkey thinks this is very funny. Oh, good catch.
You are so good.
Oh, she snuck one by you. Good block. Now you can't block everything, otherwise. Yeah, you can't have your you can't have your hands against the table. You got to have your hands away from the table and try to be fast. Oh.
No, you got to put your hands right to the table. Caught it.
Oh.
I caught it.
That's more of a block than it is a catch.
You gotta let her throw it down.
Yeah.
No, he does. I caught it.
Oh, she snuck one by you. Okay, last one. No, don't throw it at her. Okay, last one. Whoever gets this one wins. Oh, it's a tie.
I caught it. I won.
Go give your sister a kiss. Say, nice game.
Nice game.